What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and this is your buddy Technoboy. So in this video I'm going to show you one problem in the washing machine, kind of common problem. The spinning is not working, so there are several reasons for not spinning the drum. The belt may be corrupted, the outlet motor is not working, so many stuffs are there. But the point is, but in this case the problem is kind of a little bit of different, like when the washing is done and it starts spinning, or maybe when you just use it just for spin, then it starts the spin just for take one round and then it stops, and after that it start taking water again from the inlet hose, so like it's ready for washing again. So this is the problem. So to solve this problem, you need to check the pressure washer switch, which would be right here at the back in this washing machine. This is from Videocon. So let's quickly open the top cover and check it out. So that's the inlet socket right there, and I'm going to remove this top cover. Already removed the screw, so that's how it's open. And here, this is the pressure switch. Like I'm gonna open it up and show you. So that's the water pressure switch. Here you can see one pipe is there at the bottom, and this thing goes the bottom side through this hole right here, and it comes from right there and is mounted to this body right here inside. There you can see another one here, and from there, that's the pipe. It goes to this drum. Like when the water is filling inside the drum, then it creates the air pressure, and air pressure goes through this pipe to this air pressure switch, and according to the water level, it sends the signal to the main circuit board, and the main circuit board turns this inlet motor pump off and it starts the machine. So when this thing doesn't function properly, in that case, like it doesn't start spinning, and sometimes it will not even start washing at all. So first, you're going to change this pressure washer switch. This is not very costly. You'll get it around like 150 or 250, like that, from local parts store. But if you buy it from a service center, they will cost like a lot. So that's the connections right there, and a like integrated circuit is inside this panel, and that's the switch. So what you can do is you remove this pipe from there and blow some air inside of it and suck the air from it, so you can understand there is no water inside of it or no leakage the sink. So there was some water problem in this case in this machine, so I have removed that. So now that's the problem for this kind of thing. First, you gotta check this switch. If this thing has any problem, then you need to replace this one. But in this case, right now, I don't need to replace this one. It's gonna work well. And another thing is that you can adjust the water level. If this thing is taking too much water, more than the water level marked there, then you need to turn this here, the screw, to the clockwise. And if this thing is taking like small amount of water, then you need to rotate the screw anti-clockwise a bit, then it will adjust the water level. So that's it. Now let me turn this thing on and check the spinning. So I have put the cover on because of this thing. The water, if this thing goes inside the motor, that may get damaged. That's why I put the cover and connect the water inlet, and the inlet tap is on, so it will take the water. Well, now let's check the spin. Let's turn this thing on. and I'm gonna put the water level at low, and I'm gonna put just this thing on spin. Now let's play. Okay, now as you can see, this thing is not taking any water. Well, let's wait for the spin. If it starts spinning or gets stuck at the middle of it. So as you can see, this thing is rotating. The spinning is on, and it didn't get stuck and didn't take the water inlet. So that was a problem, little bit of problem in the water pressure switch. So that's it. If you need to change the water pressure switch, you can change that. That's easy task to do. So that's it. That's all for today. In the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.